Hi there, I am Ethan Lee, one of the technical consultants here at Technia UK. Whichever stage of the PLM lifecycle you are involved in, be it design, manufacturing, marketing, or simulation, there are often some routine and niggly tasks that you would love to automate. The PCS license has the solution for you. PCS is a trigram given to the collaborative industry and business innovator role. This is a combination of the 3D swimmer role and the collaborative industry innovator role. The 3D swimmer role gives you access to the Potion Lab app, a neat app that is designed to save time for users by automating routine tasks. Potion Lab allows you to create automatic interactions from apps and services in your very own dashboard. A potion is composed of one trigger ingredient that sets conditions and one or more resulting ingredient that defines the action. Today, I'll show you a short demo where I'll be using the Potion Lab app to create an email alert that notifies me when someone in my team posts an idea in the community on the subject of licenses, or if the content contains the keyword license. Let's go. We'll create a new potion. We'll define the trigger ingredient. Then ideas, we'll select the 3D Swim app. Here, idea created. We'll select the community. Select who is involved in this trigger. And we'll define some conditions for what the trigger. A trigger when the title of an idea has the word license, or if the content contains the word license. Okay, we'll now define the action ingredient. We need the app to send us a notification whenever a post or an idea in the community has a subject license or the keyword license in the content. We'll go for the 3D notification app. This will define what will be done when the trigger is met. Send a mail. The target user defines the person who should get this mail. Give the mail a subject. Send to a user group, we can add it here. What do we want this email to say? We filled in our action ingredients. We'll select OK and save and activate. We'll give our potion a name, save it, after which the potion becomes active. We'll now test it. I've gone ahead, test idea with the topic license test idea. In the content, I've also mentioned the power of the PCS license. Surely enough, I've gotten the notification. The usefulness of this app is shown where these small niggly tasks that we often forget can be automated. Quick, easy, and saves the user loads of time. This is just a snip of the power of the PTS. If you're interested, contact us to know more.